In Tehama County, to get a copy of the 433A, sometimes they will send it to you, and sometimes they want you to come pick it up at the county recorder's. So right now I'm coming over here to the Red Bluff recorder's office, and I'm going to look for a copy of the 433A so that we can get the model number and the dimensions, so that my buyer can use that information to get an insurance quote and anything else he might need it for. Let's go look for it. Let's go look for the 433A, the permanent foundation form. Oops, sorry. Come on in. This is Alberto with Mola Realty Group. There are many ways to get the tags on mobile homes. One way is to actually go to the property and look for them yourselves. I did find one here. It's right out here on the side. There's a number 427214. There's actually another one right over here. This is how you find the other one. They're usually located on the outside of the home. There it is. It's 427212. There's also more information. Usually you can find it underneath the sink in the kitchen. Like I said, this information is usually when you do a 433A. So I'm going to get a copy of that. Let's look for it right under here.
What is it?
I want a teal wall.
You already restricted to 2. Cool. So we just got to figure out how to get this heater on, and then I got to buy the stuff at Home Depot.
There we go. All right, so we found the information that we can use. You need this information to write the offer for more description, or if you need to supply this information to your insurance company for a quote. We're at the recorder's office, and these are all the books. Got all these different books that record all the real estate information. All these books here. And these books here. I've used these before. And that's not what I'm looking for. These are the computers that you can use to look up more information. Now we'll go. Okay.
And then go ahead and follow the instructions on the white piece of paper on the table. So you're going to go to the third rectangle.
Okay.
This grantor or grantee.
Right here.
Yes. Then you're going to type in last name.
Last name. Okay. Last name is Yang.
And then a comma.
Comma. K-U-I. Okay.
Then go ahead and search.
And this is the screen where, after I pulled up the owner's name, all the types of instruments that they have recorded. Here, this is the name here. You can see they have all kinds of instruments in their name here to different people. The grantor, grantee. Here's the instrument number, instrument type, recording date, the grantor, the grantee, the book number, and the page number. Just found the certificate of occupancy, so right now we're just waiting for it to load. We ended up finding it out because the secondary owner is listed as the first owner. We couldn't find it, so now we listed the first owner, and we found this. So right now it's just in progress, and we're waiting for it to be available. So we want to make sure we have the right certificate of occupancy, which is the 433A needed. All right, what I found here is book 2180, page 096. Notice of manufactured home, mobile home, or commercial coach installation on foundation system. There is the owner's name, P.O. Box, certificate of occupancy. Now it is $1.50 a page, but here is the 433A. Installation on a foundation system. Okay. There's the name of the manufacturer's name, date of manufacture, model number, insignia numbers, as well as the length and the width and the serial numbers. All of this is you can use to put on the listing agreement, or you can use this when you write the manufactured home purchase agreement. You can add all this information so that your offer looks that much better and more accurate and detailed. We got We have our certificate of occupancy, which includes the 433A. I have the Department of Environmental Health sewage disposal system as built, so we have a copy of the plat map where the septic is located, because we need to dig up the lids for the inspection of the septic to save us $90 of digging per hour. Saves us about 180 bucks. It's typically about 2-hour charge to dig up the lids, but the owner is willing to dig them up now that we can find them. And we have the well completion report, which lets us know that the well is permitted and it has a depth of 150 feet and other vital information that buyers need to know when they're buying their property. So we got all of this from the county here in Red Bluff. Part from the environmental health, we got well and septic, and then we got the 433A from the recorder's office. So if you need help with any of this, you can reach out to Alberto Hernandez with Moeller Realty Group. I'd be happy to assist you in your home buying or selling process. Thanks for watching.